Hello kids! Welcome to Sheng Lessons! Are you ready for our new lesson? Very good! Today, we are going to learn farm animals and their sounds. What is this? Oh, it's a cow! Cow gives us milk to drink. A sheep. Sheep gives us wool for our shirt. Goose. It can guard our house at night. Horse. It's a fast runner. Can carry you. Chicken. It gives us eggs. Goat. It gives us milk too. Pig. Donkey. Duck. Rabbit. What is the sound of a rabbit, kid? That's your assignment. The carabao. Yaw, yaw, yaw. It's a farmer's best friend. Turkey. Dog, a man's best friend. Do you have a dog? Me too. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned different sounds of a farm animal. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Don't forget also to subscribe to our channel for our next lesson. Bye-bye!